Hello, my name is Bartek and I'm an IT specialist in the Juvenes Translatores team. Today I will show you how to register your school. First, let me remind you three very important things. You cannot use an account from the previous year if you already had one. You need to create an entirely new account from the scratch to register your school for the current edition of the Juvenes Translatores contest. Also, please note that only teachers can register a school. The account created by the students will be excluded. Remember that only one account per school can be created. First, you need to go to the contest platform, jt.ec.europa.eu. You can find the link on the Juvenes Translatores website and in the description below. On the homepage of the contest platform, please click the button Register your school. This brings you to the page to create your account and register your school. You need to fill in all the fields with asterisks. Please provide us an email address that you have access all the time. All communication and the information related to your participation in the Juvenes Translatores contest will be sent to this email. Your password needs to contain at least 12 characters, one uppercase letter, number and punctuation. Do not worry, if you forget it, you can retrieve it by yourself by clicking the tab Request New Password. For country, please always choose the country where your school is located in. For example, a Spanish school in France must choose France for this field. Please also provide us an additional email address. We'll use it in case your main address does not work. For example, if we receive an error message, perhaps because your primary inbox is full. Finally, we'll ask you to confirm and certify that you are a teacher in this school, that you have fully read, understood and accept the contest rules and privacy statement. After clicking the button Register School, you will immediately receive an automatic email message with a confirmation link. Please click this link right away. It's a mandatory last step to complete the registration process for your school. In case you will not receive an email within 1 hour, please check your spam folder. If you still don't see it, please contact us immediately at dgt-translatores@ec.europa.eu. After clicking the link in the first email, you will get a second one with the final confirmation from us that you have successfully completed the registration process for your school. If you have any problems or questions, do not hesitate to contact us via email, Facebook or Instagram. Thank you for watching.